Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to capture input from camera for your text input in Flutter iOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you guys the output. The text input which you see inside my over here is like a text field from our native iOS. It is not a Flutter text input. So I will quickly show you guys the output. I will just move to one document. So this is the document. You can use whatever document you prefer, and from this document I will capture the phone number using camera. So I will okay, wait, just so that in case you don't miss it. So yeah, something like this. Now what I'll do, I will just click on this input, and here you can see it is showing me a camera button over here along with the keyboard. So I will click on it. I will click on scan phone number. Also do note this camera part does not require any permission, so I haven't added any permission inside my info.plist file. As you can see, the camera is not occupying the entire width and height. It is only occupying the keyboard, whatever was the size of keyboard. So I will just move it to the phone number inside my document. I have clicked the insert button, and as you can see it has populated my text input with the number. So yeah, that's what we will be seeing in this video. Let's get started with the code. So firstly, inside main.dart I have just refactored this homepage widget to be a stateful widget. I have taken a scaffold, safe area and column. The text input is inside a size box of width, entire width of the screen, and height is 40, and this is my text input. So I have created a class for that. So it is a stateful widget. I have created a method channel as well, so that once we receive any text inside the text input, Flutter knows it as well. And here you can see if platform is iOS, then display a UI kit view of my text input view, and this on platform created view callback will get called every time you populate something inside the text input. So if I show you my terminal is still not launching, I don't know why, but here you can see inside Xcode it has printed the proper value. So hopefully you got the point. So actually I have ran it via Xcode, that's why it is showing me it in Xcode, but if you want you can run it via Flutter run command as well. So yeah, that's what this particular setup is all about. So this is the view identifier, and this is for sending data back to Flutter side. So you will have to use same values, identifier keys, what you have defined it on the Flutter side, and this is our callback. Now open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. Firstly you will have to go to your project, and here you will have to click on this plus button and update the minimum deployment to at least iOS 15. Then go to app delegate. Here you will have to copy paste this bit of code. So this identifier should be same what we have defined it on the Flutter side. Yeah, rest everything is just boilerplate code. And here you can see I'm referencing this Swift file, so I have created this Swift file as well. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter project. So just copy paste it, and it references another Swift file called my text input. So here you can see this is my text input, and here I have created a UI view as well as a UI text field. Then we are initializing our UI view. This is our method channel for sending data back to Flutter side. So use same identifier what you have used it on Flutter side. Here we initialize our text field and set the placeholder, border style, keyboard type. Keyboard type is important, text content type is also important, and auto correction I have set it to no. Then this is I have added our phone number text field to our parent view, set some NS layout constraints, and added a target of text field did change, because whenever our text field did change does changes, it sends a callback to Flutter side. And this is the part for showing the camera. So here you have to use this UIAction.capture text from camera, pass our text field. Okay, and here I have just passed text from camera as a UI menu, and then here I have created a UI bar button item. So this image is already present inside iOS. I haven't added it inside the assets folder. This is by default present inside the iOS system, and then I have created just a toolbar and set it as an accessory view. So here you can see we are overriding this method and returning our parent view, and here we have also created this method to send the data back to Flutter side. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.